Hi guys, I want to show you where to find your Gmail account and how to log in. Right now, our staff email link on our website currently opens up to Outlook, but very soon, starting June 22nd, when you click the staff email link, it will take you directly to Gmail. So that is one way to get to your Gmail account. I'm going to open up a new tab. Before, we didn't have this Gmail link activated, but now you will find it. When you click on your Gmail, it will take you to your email. Now, if you have a personal Gmail account, you need to make sure that you're logged in as your work email. So here, I clicked on my picture. You might just have a letter, whatever is here. If you click on that, you will be able to log in to your work email. So here I have my personal one. I'm just going to click on that and show you how it toggles back and forth. Make it smaller so you can see it. So now when I click Gmail, it's going to open up my personal Gmail. So when I click this and I go to my work email or my work account, now when I click on Gmail, it'll go to my work Gmail account. You can also find Gmail link by clicking on your app launcher and going to Gmail. You can also, I'm just going to open up a new tab and show you, if you just type in gmail.google.com, it will take you to your Gmail. So you should be able to get to Gmail several different ways. You can click on Gmail here, your app launcher, or on our home page, this staff email link will take you to Gmail starting very soon. Our Outlook is still active up until June 22nd, so it's still going to take you to Outlook, but after June 22nd, we're going to ask that you not use Outlook anymore. It will not work for you. So we're going to go ahead and take the staff email and make it your Gmail account. So again, staff email, go to a new tab, click on your Gmail link. App launchers, got Gmail here, or like I said, in a new tab, you can type gmail.google.com and it will take you straight there. Thanks.